morning, everyone. It's Miss Amanda at the West Haven Public Library, and today me and Jackson are going to be showing you how to put together our terracotta beehive craft. So let's get started. Your craft kit for this week should come with a yellow terracotta pot, 2 yellow pipe cleaners, a paintbrush, a bee sticker, some twine, 2 bee cutouts, and a little cup full of our glue. So we put down a paper towel because the glue can get kind of messy, so you might want to put a paper towel down in your working area. And we are going to first take our twine and our glue and our paintbrush, and we are going to use the paintbrush to apply glue all over this piece of twine. So if you have somebody at home who can help you by holding the twine for you while you paint the twine with the glue, that's the best way to do this. So we're going to go ahead and just put glue all over our twine. Alright, so for our second step, once we have glue on our twine, we are going to take our pot and you are going to wrap the twine around the pot. Yep. Now you can put as much of the twine on there as you like. And if you need to add a little bit more glue, that's fine. Just grab your paintbrush, put some more glue to hold it down. And if you end up having extra twine at the end, you can just cut it. Alright, so once our twine has dried onto our pot, we are going to move on to the next step. So we are going to take our little black piece of construction paper, and that is going to be the hole for our bees to get in and out of their home. So we are going to glue the construction paper onto the pot towards the bottom, so just like that. And we're just going to glue that on. Alright, so we have our second step done, and we're just going to let that dry in place for a little bit. So while we are waiting for our pot to dry, we are going to start putting together our little flying bees. So we're going to take our 2 yellow pipe cleaners and our 2 bees on their paper. And the first thing we're going to do is just glue the bee to the very top of the pipe cleaner. Alright, so for our next step, once our little bees are dry on here, we are going to put our pipe cleaner into the hole at the top of the pot and just let it stick out a little bit. Then inside the pot, we're going to bend the pipe cleaner just like that, and then put a little bit of glue so that the pipe cleaner will stay inside the pot. And then we are going to do that for our second bee. Alright, so we have that drying and we are ready to move on to our final step, which is just bee sticker, so you can place that wherever you'd like. And there we go. We have our beautiful terracotta beehive ready for summer.